Hey, I'm back about work in Costa Rica, specifically online work in Costa Rica. My name is Muriel. I'm a digital nomad. I live in Costa Rica and I have an online business since 2013, and that created the freedom of choice to move to Costa Rica together with my husband and two children. I'm originally from the Netherlands, and that is also the accent that you hear. Now, my intention of this video is to teach you a little bit more about one aspect of how my business originally is set up. Because over time, since I quit my job as a social worker back in 2015 and I replaced it with my online income, people ask me like, what is it that you sell? How did you do it? What product do you have, etc., etc. And over time I have completely kept on doing the same. I just added it over time with my own products. But this is not how I run my my work online in Costa Rica from the start. I did primarily affiliate marketing, and while my Doberman is laying down on the patio here, my whole video is shaking. So that's what's happening here. So why affiliate marketing? So in my first video I shared in a nutshell the difference between low ticket and high ticket affiliate marketing, and that you're basically earning a reward when you sell someone else's product or service, right? Now, I want to highlight a couple of things about affiliate marketing versus having your own product. I believe that when you want to work online, you want to be a digital nomad, you want to work for yourself because you want to be independent and free, not relying on someone else is making the decision to pay you yes or no, if he's going to fire you yes or no. That happens so much that people have an online job in Costa Rica and now they're fired, and now they have to go where they come from because they cannot pay the bills anymore, and that sucks. It's not what you want, right? So a business like mine has multiple income streams. That is making yourself strong in an economy that is always changing. So I always say, as an online business coach to my students, never rely on one income. That's why I have several income streams. Affiliate marketing are a couple. And the benefit of affiliate marketing versus having your own product is that you already are selling something that is doing well, if you select your product well, of course, versus creating your own product. A lot of people overlook things that are important for having a solid product to sell. For example, customer service. It's a lot of work. What if people want a refund? Do you know the rules and regulations? How do you deal with it? It takes a lot of time to set up disclaimers and connect with people, and then your product needs to be updated once in a while, and then you need to have eyes on your product. Like, where is your audience who wants to buy your product? That is a specific skill. That is marketing. Like, are there instantly a lot of people who know about your product or service? Yes or no? Perhaps you do have an audience. Most people don't, right? And they forget about this. Now, the benefit of affiliate marketing is that if you find a good affiliate product that is paying a lot as well, they have sales material for you that you can leverage. They have the customer service. And if you do well and you choose products that's digital, you don't need to have boxes of stuff in your home that you have to pay first before you can sell it, and then you have to ship it, etc. So choose the product well when you're diving in affiliate marketing versus first creating a product that is a lot of work on its own, that it needs to be tested. Then you need to find an audience for it, which takes a lot of effort as well. Then you need to make marketing material for it, like a sales video, like showing the people what they are buying without being salesy. That's a skill on its own. So please don't, if you want to make money online for yourself, I believe the hardest way to get started is first decide to create your own product. Because like I said in my previous video, to make a substantial income in Costa Rica, you need to make a couple of thousands, if you ask me. If you're a family like me, you need a minimum of $5,000. Like, if you can create a product that is paying you well without having to make hundreds of sales or even thousands of sales per month, then I think you're good. But that's hard for most starters online. That's why I believe affiliate marketing is a great start. choose a product well, leverage everything like your sales material and everything that I just mentioned, and you focus on creating an audience. How? And that's the cool thing, leveraging social media in a productive way, not by losing your time and losing yourself and scrolling around, but by really attracting an audience. And there's a strategy for it. Like YouTube is one strategy. You know, what are you good at? What are you passionate about? Create videos about it. Create a channel. It's one way of how strangers can find you if you use keywords that people type in the search bar of YouTube, and your content has a title with that keyword. That's how people find you. And there are some other steps too, but that's things that you can learn. Okay, so if you combine the two, now it starts to rain, that's funny, I hope you can still hear me. And if you combine the two, you have a great start. So you only have to focus on strangers finding you. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They focus on their current audience, which are basically your friends and family. And I don't believe that you can build a substantial business with having your friends and family as clients. So please realize that you have to focus on attracting strangers using social media, and that you can do that with YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There's so many other platforms. Look at me, I have a baby channel, but I generate a lot of high valued people who became leads, who say, hey, I want to learn more about it, is that what you do? And I invite them to my email list, and I build up real relationships there. Perhaps you don't know that, but you can test it. You can fill out your name and email behind one of the links that you see in the description down below, and you will receive emails from me. Now, part of those emails are scheduled. I wrote them once, and a piece of software is sending them out. Super cool. I don't need to spend time on it. But if you reply to my emails, I will always reply myself, not a virtual assistant, myself. And this is how you can create true relationships. And the cool thing about generating a new audience, driving traffic from social media, you can do that for free. You don't need to rely on paid advertisement. That may seem the fastest way, but if you're not earning anything with your online business yet, I would not recommend you to do paid advertisement. Focus on free education, share education, create a YouTube channel. TikTok was so cool and so easy. Like, my daughter is even better with TikTok than I am, but you can attract people to you, but help those people to find you, create a reason for them to follow you. So choose a subject that you are passionate about, that you're perhaps skilled about, can talk about, that people are searching for, and people will follow you for that reason. And from there, you can invite them to your email list, and in that email list, you can keep up the relationship and the communication. But oh my God, affiliate marketing is the best start if you ask me. Don't start with creating your own product if you don't want to overcomplicate things. Do that in a later stage, because the marketing, the attracting audience with social media and email marketing, it's way more important to focus on, and then let the affiliate product and the company that is providing you that do the rest, right? Like, let them work on the customer service and the marketing stuff and the, all the rules and regulations. And that takes a load from your shoulders, I hope. So an own product is always harder to get started with your own business than affiliate marketing. I hope that makes sense. And of course, I will make tons of more videos about this, because there's tons of more stuff to share about it. And if you want to learn more about the things that I do, go down to the description down below and be curious and see what stuff I email. There's options for you to discover down there in the description. And who knows, I'm gonna meet you one day in Costa Rica, because Costa Rica is cool to live, and I believe that you can make a solid income with work online in Costa Rica for yourself, not depending on the boss or a low-paying job whatsoever.